I tell you that with days to go before Jamaica face Panama to kickstart their CONCACAF Gold Cup qualifiers, hastily appointed interim head coach Reggae Girlz is acknowledging the challenges he'll face given the absence of players from the FIFA Women's World Cup. Girlz was elevated to the position late Thursday and will take largely uncapped players after the JFF scrambled to pull together a squad. Karen Madden reports.
Plucked out of the hat at the 11th hour, following a coaching tailspin in the last couple of days, interim head coach of the Reggae Girlz, Reggae Girlz, is concerned about the challenges, but excited to serve his country ahead of the two CONCACAF Gold Cup matches. Even though his elevated status has been rushed, Girlz, who was Lorne Donaldson's assistant at the recent global tournament, acknowledged the tough task ahead without his glitzy array of international stars.
It has to be a concern. The team will not be at its best, especially with a new bunch, but it's work in progress. That's what we have to work with. I can only control what I can control, and that's the approach I'm taking. So we're just gonna see if we can organize them tactically, and hopefully whatever we get to do, we'll be able to give a good performance.
And Girlz had some sympathy for the World Cup players and staff.
Fantastic backroom staff. I wish they were here and the players, but they made a decision, which is understandable. And some of them probably would have been here had probably proper notification as it relates to time to get here. They would have been here.
After facing Panama on Wednesday, the Jamaicans will return home to face Guatemala at the National Stadium on Sunday, October 29, with the Reggae Girlz set to host Panama on November 29 and play away to Guatemala on December 3. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.